पर निरंतर तत्पर आप कार्य अपना अंजाम करते हैं। कोविड वॉरियर्स हम आपको सलाम करते हैं। I Nandini Singh on behalf of 7B is here to show our gratitude to COVID warriors. We think of you and your colleagues every second of every day. There is no way to put into words how much you are appreciated, loved, and supported by millions of people in the world. You risk your life every day to save strangers, and we will forever be grateful.
Nothing can be done without the remembrance of Almighty who created the world with soil and the whole universe. So let's recall the Almighty.
त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव वन्दना मृत्युर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् शांति शांति शांति। सुंदर सुहानी जिंदगी तूने मुझको दी, अनगिन वरदानों से भी जीवन सवारा है। सुंदर सुहानी जिंदगी तूने मुझको दी, अनगिन वरदानों से भी जीवन सवारा है। आ, आ, आसमान ये ज़मीन तूने बनाया है, रंग बिरंगे फूलों से भी तूने सजाया है। आसमान ये ज़मीन तूने बनाया है, रंग बिरंगे फूलों से भी तूने सजाया है। प्रभु तब गुण गाते, प्रभु तब गुण गाते, प्रभु तब गुण गाते, प्रभु तब गुण गाते। सुंदर सुहानी जिंदगी तूने मुझको दी, अनगिन वरदानों से भी जीवन सवारा है। आ, आ, तब चरणों में लेकर आए सुंदर जीवन भी, जिसको तेरे हाथों ने भी रूप दिया है। तब चरणों में लेकर आए सुंदर जीवन भी, जिसको तेरे हाथों ने भी रूप दिया है। प्रभु तब गुण गाते, प्रभु तब गुण गाते, प्रभु तब गुण गाते, प्रभु तब गुण गाते। सुंदर सुहानी जिंदगी तूने मुझको दी, अनगिन वरदानों से भी जीवन सवारा है।
new thought, new words, and endless possibilities. So, to enlighten us and brighten our morning, here comes Harshvardhan for today's thought.
The thought of the day is showing gratitude is one of the simplest yet most powerful things humans can do for each other. I repeat, showing gratitude is one of the simplest yet most powerful things humans can do for each other. Thank you.
A poem is a way to convey our thoughts in a rhythmic manner. So here I called Sophia and Pari to recite a beautiful poem.
आज बहुत ज़रूरी है एक एहसास, सोचना उनके बारे में जिनकी बदौलत अब तक है सांस। जब आशाएं बुझ रही थी, जब उम्मीदें सहम रही थी, जब दबे पांव दुश्मन हमारे बीच उतर रहा था, तब कोई हमारे लिए बाहर निकल रहा था। हम जानते हैं यह सिर्फ अपनी ड्यूटी निभाना नहीं है, ज़्यादा है उससे बहुत। हम में से कितने हैं जो औरों के लिए खड़े हैं, उम्र से नहीं जो कर्म से बड़े हैं। हमें मालूम है तुम्हारे परिवार हैं, हमारी तरह अपने संसार हैं, पर बिना अपनी परवाह किए कर्तव्य को अपना हथियार किए तुमने हमें सच्चे नायक, सच्चे हीरो का अर्थ समझाया है, इंसान होने का मतलब सिखाया है। आज तुम्हें सलामी देने का बड़ा मन है, तुम्हारी वजह से अब तक यह धड़कन है। तुमने दिल से अपना फ़र्ज़ निभाया है, अब बारी हमारी है, कोरोना से लड़ना हमारी भी जिम्मेवारी है। एक बार फिर तुम्हें शत शत नमन, सौ सौ सलाम। जय हिंद।
Bow down to you as you offer yourself, an epitome of motherhood. As this war continues to take more life, you continue to fight this battle. You have blessed the world with your invaluable service, keeping your own life aside. We are indebted to you as fearlessly and tirelessly. Walk this path, your life is an inspiration, as you remain relentless like the sun. Bound by compulsion, we fail to see. We will not falter again. We will not your sacrifice go waste. We are with you.
Now, I would like to call Arvish to remind the selfless acts done by the COVID warriors for all of us.
Today I am here to show my gratitude towards the COVID warriors. The unsung heroes of the nation are thanked in many ways. These COVID warriors like doctors, nurses and policemen are far from their homes and families, but they are doing their duties day and night. Nowadays nothing is important for us, but the most important thing is our safety, and these COVID warriors are out of their home to ensure our safety. The whole world is praising the efforts that have been made by these COVID warriors to ensure everyone's safety everywhere, and these COVID warriors should be given applause for their work, from the rag pickers to the nurses. We should encourage these COVID warriors for the work they have been performing when all the people are sitting at their homes. Thank you for saving me and my family. Thank you, COVID warriors. Jai Hind.
Once a great man whispered, feeling thankfulness and not expressing it is like wrapping a present and not giving it. Today, I take the opportunity to put all my gratitude into words. As all good things come to an end, we have also reached to the end of our digital assembly. On behalf of my class, I would like to thank entire management, principal ma'am, vice principal ma'am for giving us the platform to explore our talent in front of everyone. Without their guidance, it won't be possible. So I thank everyone to make this digital assembly worth watching.
Greetings to all the viewers. Today, I would like to send my love and appreciation for hard work all the COVID warriors are doing to save lives. Thank you so much for your courage during these unprecedented times. Your dedication in caring for our sick and ailing family and friends when we are unable to is truly a blessing to us. We will never forget the tremendous sacrifices you have made. I am doing my part to hasten the end of this scourge by wearing a mask, maintaining social distancing and washing my hands frequently, in the hope that you can go back to a more normal life as soon as possible. Thank you. Thank you 1,000 times. Thank you for all that you have done over the past 6 months and all that you will do to keep us healthy. Last but not the least, I would like to appreciate the hard work of my students. Without their effort, it won't possible to present this beautiful assembly in front of you all. Thank you so much.